Cool. Alright, well, as you can see, this came off pretty easily, surprisingly. The two bolts on the front where it goes into the head were pretty rusty. I was expecting something to snap off, but nothing broke, thankfully. And the one stud just kind of came out with it, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, it's pretty solid exhaust. I'm guessing because of the nature of the two-stroke with blowing oil, excess oil through the gas out, maybe preserved it. Maybe there's a lot of oil sitting in there from over the years, just blow by, and it just kind of preserved it. Because some of my other bikes, they've been rotting through on my XLs and stuff that I have. But yeah, this is solid. I should be able to clean this up and paint it and make it look pretty decent. So, all right, on to the next step. So this right here looks like it might have gotten sheared off or cut off for some reason, and the OEM pegs that are supposed to be here, the peg mounts, looks like somebody just kind of welded up something here, and they're using this weird looking, almost looks homemade peg. So I gotta find something that will something that'll fit here, because I have extra pegs off my other bike, my XR. Thinking maybe one of these extra pegs would work, but not big enough. So I gotta find something that's got enough space in between the openings and the peg itself to fit on here, and so I can get a decent looking peg. As you can see, the other side is okay, and it's got the splines and the mount. But this, if I were to try to get the peg, the left side peg, it still would be too small, I think, for this mount. So I just gotta figure out a peg that will work for there.